All right, guys. So the first review we're going to talk about is just like about the different pieces of our box plot. We're just going to look at the different pieces of data that are shown on a box plot before we actually start trying to create them. So this is what a box plot looks like. We have a number line, okay? And then we have these dots that are plotted up above it. Obviously, it's got a box on it. Okay, so box plots are created to help us illustrate 4 quartiles in a data set. So what we're doing is we're breaking the data up into 4 different sections. So if you look at your box plot, here's 1 section, here's 2 sections, 3 sections, and then here's our 4th section over here, okay? They show us 5 important pieces of data, okay? So the first thing that they show us is the lower extreme. This dot over here is our smallest value. We could also call it the minimum, or it's the lowest point, the lowest data point, okay? Well, they also show us the upper extreme. The furthest dot on the dot plot is our upper extreme, which is the highest number in our data set, which we could also call the maximum, okay? Then this line right here on our box plot shows us the lower quartile. Okay, the lower quartile is the median of the lower half. Okay, this line over here represents our upper quartile. Okay, and it is the median of our upper half. Then the line in the very middle of our box plot represents the median in that data set. Okay, so there's our 5 important pieces of data, and you can use those 5 pieces to calculate range, to calculate interquartile range, to identify the median. There's lots of different ways that you can use this data to create statistical calculation.